Greetings to you all, beautiful. So here we are once again. Let's quickly learn another beautiful, elegant. When I mean elegant, I really mean elegant head wrap, but very easy and very simple to make. So let's go. The material you're seeing on my hand is ashoke material. 4 layers of ashoke material. Length is 75 in length. So let's go there right away. I'm going to divide it into 2 equal halves. That is 50-50, 2 equal halves this way. As you can see, then I started splitting it this way. Wash my hand closely to see what I am doing. Split it this way, this way, this way, this way, until you get to the end. And you have something like this, like your fan. Alright? So, when you have gotten to this stage, the next thing you do is to pick your rubber band this way, and then fasten it together. As you can see, I did not double that rubber band. Then you twist it again and bring it this other way. Don't make this place to be very tight because the 2 edges is still coming here. So don't allow it to be too tight. If it's too tight, you will not be able to fix it there. Alright, so when you have gotten to this stage, the next thing you do is to open this place. Open this place, then placing it on your head this way. You take everything to the back. Take everything to the back. Then fold some inches. Fold some inches here in. And then you take everything to the back. I'm not going to close it. If I'm going to close it, I'll bring it up this way. This way. Then close it. But since I'm not closing it because of my edge, so what you do is you bring it this way. Then simple crossing. Cross it this way. Cross it this way, then drag it and make sure it's very, very firm. Then you bring everything to the back. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to go this side now. Just raise it up. Then this rubber band here. This rubber band, that one you used to tie it, then open it and then tuck this one in it. Alright? Just this way. Okay? Then drag it out. Okay, watch closely what I am doing. So what we did here now, we're still going to do it this same side. Alright, so if this is the first time you're coming across my video and channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Amy Igele Empire. So please do want to connect to this channel. Alright, so you raise this other side now. Then still open. That's the reason why I say when you are plating this, don't allow it to be too tight when you fix your rubber band, or else you find it difficult to drag it open. Okay, so here now I'm going to open the rubber band and also tuck this one inside it. Put it inside and drag it out. Alright, so the style is getting ready. Okay, so we have the 2 edges here now this way. Alright, we're still coming back to that. Let's work on this. So this one, just bring the edges down here. You use your office pin. You use your office. Pick your office pin and fasten it. Just put it together there to hold that edge down. Then this other side as well, you bring it down here. Then you use your office pin as well and hold it down. Then you adjust it to your task. You can see the style is getting ready. So what is left now is for you to actually open this place, and you have a kind of rose flower, a rose there. Alright, just open it, just stretch it out. That is the way you can open it, stretch it out. You know it's rubber band you use and fasten it. So you stretch it out. Alright, so push your head wrap back a little bit. Alright, adjust. So here we are, just adjust it. Alright, you can see, if you don't mind, you want to decorate it further, you can use your hair accessories to place it here. If you don't like it, you can leave it like this. Is cool, you're good to go. Okay, so this is it. Then if you don't want these 2 flowers this way, you can quickly do something like this. Just something like this. Just scatter it, probably just this pin. So instead of having 2, you'll be having 1 rose there. So instead of having, you have one sew. This is what the back looks like. You can use anything to close it. Good to go. Right, so if this is the first time, as I said before, you're coming across my channel, the person you're hearing my voice is Megan Empire. I use this opportunity to welcome you back, all my subscribers, and those who are yet to connect to this channel, please, I beg of you, do that. And those of you who have been watching my video without dropping comments, without connecting, please, I'm begging you on my knees, connect. You have a lot of beautiful head wraps online here, how to do it all by yourself. And to those of you who have been sharing my video, I say thank you so much. I give you positive vibes. Alright, so I'll be happy to see you in my next video. Remember, life.